Okay, the question is find 2A minus B. Here A and B are two matrices, each of order 2 cross 3. Since both are of the same order, we can perform this operation. I'll prefer to perform this operation in two steps. The first step is find 2A. 2 is a scalar, so when you do 2A, what you have to do is multiplication of 2 with the entire matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 is same as multiplying the scalar with each and every element of the matrix. I'll write it down. 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 2 and 1 into 2. Be careful, this is only for multiplying with a scalar. 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 2. Then the second step is subtract B from 2A. This is for subtracting two matrices. We have to subtract one element of the matrix from the corresponding element of the other matrix. Sorry, not this. From here. 2A minus B is equal to 2 minus 3, 4 minus 1, 6 minus 3, 4 minus 1, 6 minus 0 and 2 minus 2. Simplifying this, we get minus 1, 5, 3, 5, 6 and 0. This is the 2 cross 3 matrix, which is our final answer.